Hi, today I'm ready for Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application. And now tap on the right upper corner so we can see that we are logged in here in Gmail account. And if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here Manage Accounts on this device, tap to this account and click Remove it. Then click once again Remove Account, and we can see that in Google account settings we just have now logged in accounts. So let's go back to the application, let's refresh it, and we also can see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.